Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel. I know it's been long since I uploaded my videos. Due to some personal commitments, I wasn't able to upload the videos for you, but here I am again for you. So henceforth, it will be a continuous process. For all those who are new to my channel, let me tell you, guys, I am Shruti, a teacher by profession and passion. I'm here to share with you the in-depth explanation for physics of 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th for CBSE syllabus. Alright? So please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you do not miss any further updates. If you like it, please drop in your valuable comments. So as I told you, I share the topics of physics for school children covering the CBSE syllabus for 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. And now we are discussing the 9th class physics. The first lesson in that is motion. In that we have already covered up till speed. In the last video I had already discussed about speed. So if you are new or if you are an old subscriber but you didn't watch the video, do go back and watch it in sequence so that it will be beneficial for you. You can even check out my blog. The detail is there in the description box. And follow me on Instagram too, guys, so that you do not miss even a single notification. So without further delay, let us proceed. In the last video, I had discussed about speed, its definition, its formula, and then I told you about the unit of speed. I had also told you in detail how to derive the unit of any physical quantity. There you go, physical quantity. I had also mentioned what is a physical quantity. Alright, so please, if you haven't seen, go back, see the video, update your knowledge, enhance it, and learn happily. And if you are a new subscriber, subscribe to the channel to keep on learning more interesting facts. So today we are going to do a continuation of this and a very easy topic, okay? That is average speed. Speed, average speed. From the speed itself, we are deriving average speed. So let us see what it is. Average speed is the total distance travelled by an object divided by the time to cover that distance. Okay, what did I say? It is the total distance travelled by an object divided by the time to cover that distance. Matlab, if there is an object and it needs to travel from point A to point B, the distance it will travel divided by the time it will take to travel a distance. I'll make it even more simple. Let's take an example. You are going from your home to your school. Okay, so the total distance you cover divided by the time you take. Okay, now let's see the formula for it. Average speed equals to total distance by total time. Now how do we write the unit? There was an in-depth explanation for this in the last video, but still I would repeat it. To derive the unit, you do not have to mug up. There's no mugging up. How do we derive the unit? It's simple. First of all, you write the formula. After writing the formula, you write the units for the numerator and denominator. Cancel the quantities if any, and there you are left with the unit. Okay. So average speed formula is distance by time. So how do we write the unit for it? Average speed SAV equals to total distance in numerator. So unit of distance meters divided by total time in denominator. So units for time is seconds. So there we get the formula total distance by total time, and from the formula we get the unit meters per second. So unit of average speed is also same meters per second as it is for speed. Now let us quickly do one small question from your NCERT book. Alright, in-text question. Yes, so this question is given in your NCERT book, page number 101. Let's see what the question says. An object travels 16 meters in 4 seconds and then another 16 meters in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? Read again and understand. First, it is covering certain distance in certain time, and then it is again covering some distance in certain time. So how will we proceed? Total distance traveled by the object. Yes. What is the total distance traveled by the object? 16 meters plus 16 meters equals to 32 meters. Note point is you should not forget the units. It's very important. Without unit, that number 32 has no relevance. Okay. Then what is the total time? Total time taken is 4 seconds plus 2 seconds. That gives us 6 seconds. Yes. Here also, if you do not mention the unit seconds, the number 6 has no relevance. Okay. After that, we write the formula. Average speed equals to total distance by total time. Then we substitute the values that we have been given in the question and derive the answer. So total distance is 32 meters. Total time is 6 seconds. So when you divide 32 by 6, you get 5.33 and unit is meters per second. You can also write meter second inverse. Alright, it means one and the same thing. What you have to remember without forgetting is you always have to include the unit. Units are very important. And in your question, in the steps of the marking the answers, unit carries half a mark. Half a mark की importance तो आप सभी जानते हैं. Needless to say, yes, it helps you to gain centum and also helps you to pass an exam. So do not forget to write the units. Second important thing you should remember is writing the formula. Whenever you are solving numerical, you always have to mention the formula you are using for that question. It is very important. Okay. So आज के लिए इतना ही. That's all for today. We have discussed a very easy and simple topic, average speed. It's the continuation of speed. So if you haven't seen the previous videos, I will provide the link in the description box. Kindly go and watch the videos. If you watch it in continuation, it will be good for you. So if you are new and haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. And if you like my videos, hit the like icon. And also don't forget to press the bell notification icon. Okay, so that you do not miss any further details. You can also visit my blog and follow me on Instagram. Details are there on the description box. So keep learning, Happy learning. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.